The hottest chilies. You may have experienced the feeling. Your mouth feels like it's on fire. Your eyes start to water. You just ate one of nature's hottest food, the chili pepper. Chili peppers, also called chilies, are found in dishes around the world. They are in dishes like Indian curries, Thai tom yum soup, and Mexican egg salad. Chili come from the Caspian plate. They are hot because they contain something called capsaicin. Capsaicin is very good for your health. It helps your brain better and it may even help keep your fit. Capsaicin makes you feel less hungry. It also makes your body burn more calories. We can measure the heat of chili in units called Scoville heat units. Sure. The word hotel chili in Carolina Reaper is sometimes measured up to 2 million HU. Eating a hot chili can be painful, but some people love to eat them. Anadita daughter Tamuli, a woman from Assam, India, became famous for eating chili. She ate 51 hot peppers in just 2 minutes. The pepper were Naga Jolokia god pepper. They grow in Assam and are the third hotel chili in the world. I found eating chili was a great way to stay healthy, says Tamuli. She began eating chili when she was a child. She eats chili when she is sick too. Every time I have a cold or flu, I just eat some chili seeds and I feel better. To be honest, I barely notice them now.